Hello. Thank you for being interested in as well thermostats. Now, let us see how TERV implements voice control. The equipment we use are C800 to TERV, Gateway and Echo Dot. First, please make sure the Wi-Fi connected. Second, download the Amazon Alexa and Taya Smart at App Store. After registered account, then the gateway paired to the network. Log in Taya Smart. Click Add Device. Choose TERV and Small Home Appliances. Choose your Wi-Fi. Enter password. Next. Please make sure the green light of gateway blinking. If not, please long press the control button for 5 seconds. Then green light blink. Choose Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink. Next. Adding device. Added successfully. Choose Add Subdevice. Now we rotate the plate of TERV to off. Long press the plate till the screen show double dash. Confirm LED already blink on app. Searching. Click Done. Click Done again. Now, we can start remote control. Slide off. Slide on. After the thermostat connected the network, open Amazon Alexa. Click on the menu bar in the upper left corner. Choose Skills and Games. Search Taya. Choose Taya Smart. Click Enable to Use. Enter Taya account password. Click Link now. Authorize. Alexa, connect Taya Smart successful. Next, we need configure the Echo Dot. Enter Amazon Alexa app. Click the menu bar at the left. Select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo. Choose Echo Dot. Select the model of Echo Dot. We are using the second model. Click Continue.
Now is setup mode.
Next, long press the action button for 6 seconds until light change from blue to yellow. Now we back to Wi-Fi setting.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Connect to Echo Dot. Return to app. Click Continue. Continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi password. Click Continue.
Your Echo is ready.
Click Continue.
Skip. Skip.
Go to Home.
Hello, I'm Alexa. It's nice to meet you. There's a lot of fun and helpful things I can do. I have a quick introduction that we can walk through together. Can I show you some things to try?
Alexa, turn off thermostat.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on thermostat.
Okay.